everybody. Good day if you're a share market investor as well. The Dow Jones index of US shares has broken through 22,000 for the very first time in its history overnight. You can see it there at the close. The stock market's been propelled forward by Apple shares, which yesterday released strong quarterly sales and profit numbers. It's expecting big sales of iPhone. The shares jumped 4.7% off the back of those results. You can see here it's been a great run. The other big contributor to the Dow's rise is Boeing. Its share has soared almost in recent weeks on very strong orders as well. For example, Indian Airlines have just ordered up to 2,100 new aircraft over the next year, and that's the reason why Boeing shares are up some 31% since March alone. The other company that's pushing higher, surprisingly, McDonald's. Yet McDonald's, especially in the US, is still just knocking out burgers and fries like it always has. So what's going on? Well, some of those ideas from Australia, for example, like good coffee shops, all-day breakfast. Oh, and McDonald's is working in China. Yes, McDonald's working in the land of the ultimate fast food, the pork bun. So what about the Trump bump, I hear you say? Well, yes, since President Donald Trump was inaugurated in late January, the Dow Jones is up some 10.9%. That's a promise of lower taxes to bring more business to America. Overnight, he said the market record is a reflection that America's doing very well. But leaders that tie their political fortunes to the stock market, they do that to their peril. In fact, the bump started well before Donald Trump came on the scene. In fact, it was January 2016, a little over 18 months ago when it started. At the time, the Dow Jones was under 16,000, now above 22,000. So it's put on 37.8%. At the same time, the Aussie market, well, our super funds are tied to that fortune. It hasn't done too badly. It's up by 20% from its lows in early February 2016. It has done better, the Dow Jones, but our market also is entering a bull stage as well. Can it last? Well, profit reports from big companies in the next 4 weeks will tell us everything. Stay tuned. The dollar this morning, 79.6 US cents.